Ground, Cotton 25, good evening.
25 Ground, good evening, sir.
Cotton 25, request startup, comme Victor departure to Salon.
So startup approved, report ready to taxi.
Starting up, Cotton 25.
Pulsar, bonjour. Débutons les évolutions sur plan de Dieu. Bonjour, rappelez débutons les évolutions sur plan de Dieu, QNH 1022, Fox Echo 1015. Reçu, donc pour l'instant on est toujours en évolution à proximité de Sierra Echo et on rejoindra plan de Dieu prochainement.
Echo Blue 1016, Cotton 25.
Correct. 25 taxi with caution, one obstacle, north part of North Apron.
25.
Négatif, un Mirage 2000 au roulage, rappelé en vue. Le Mirage 2000 roule du parking 25 jusqu'au point d'arrêt 32, rappelé en vue. Exit point.
We request a right turn in on the southeast, 4000 feet, 1016. 016.
Roger, correction, disregard 4000 feet approved. For information, Salon 34 Blue X-ray, and the wind is quite the same as here, from 22 knots to 35 knots.
Cotton 25, good copy. Cotton 25,
Did you brief the elements with Salon?
affirm.
Roger. So departure expect to contact approach on channel 17.
For departure, approach channel 17, Cotton 25.
Affirme airborne. Le 2000 est sur le taxiway sud, vous pouvez désormais rouler.
Ok, merci, je pars rapide. Je vous rappelle 522.
Reçu. La tour d'Orange. Delta, j'écoute. Pour information, un Mirage 2000 au départ du terrain d'Orange dans 4 minutes. Il sortira de la CTR à 4000 pieds, Sierra Echo. Reçu. On a 1000 sur Sierra Echo et le... Reçu. Rappelez Washington 19.
Ok.
Et sur l'air d'attente.
Ok, bien pris, je l'envie. 3 WHM19.
Reçu Claustra.
Link point 32 ready for departure.
25 Tower, line up, runway 32, wind 340, 20 knots, gust 30, barrier automatic position, and report ready to copy traffic information.
Landing up and will report ready to copy. Cotton 25.
Correct. Rapide Delta, pour info, on passe sous le temps des sols et on fait une zone de poser dans l'Oubez. Reçu.
Tower, Cotton Kilo, Echo Romeo 32 Whiskey, to descend 2000 feet, 1015.
Kilo report initial 32 Fox Echo 1015, 2000 feet.
Cotton Kilo, Wilco.
25 ready to copy traffic information.
25 ready.
To Phoenix East airfield a few miles, 3000 feet below your clearance departure.
Cotton 25, copy, ready for departure.
25 clear for takeoff runway 32, wind 340 degrees, 20 knots, gust 30.
Clear for takeoff, Cotton 25.
Total Kilo for information, one Mirage 2000 on departure.
Kilo.
25 right turn inbound Sierra Echo approved, contact approach channel 17.
Right turn approve, approach channel 17. 25, good evening.
25 approach loud and clear. Good evening. Report to the area.
Wilco.
Coton 64, North second for Echo 32 Whiskey from IP Poster. 64 report IP 32 Fox Echo 1015. Wilco Coton 64 and request to descend 2000 feet, 1015. Affirm 2000 feet approved. Copy.
Tower, Cotton Kilo, ignition, individual pitch.
Kilo number 1, wind 350, 20 knots, gust 30, report turning final gear.
Kilo, wind.
Oui, ce sera pour reprendre le taxi au sud du HM19 jusqu'en zone bolée, s'il vous plaît.
Roulez, rappelez en zone volée.
Ok, bien pris.
Cotton Kilo 1, terminus, Durban, logo downwind.
Kilo 1, check Durban up.
Kilo 1.
Kilo 1, low pass approve, runway 32, wind 350, 18 knots, gust 25.
Kilo 1. Gear 1 locked, full stop.
Kilo 2, check, gear 1 locked. If I receive, continue approach.
Good.
Bearing 200, 2 fighter, 5 miles, reaching initial at 2000 feet.
Whiskey 32.
Thanks.
Ciao.
64 IP.
Kilo 2, clear to land runway 32, wind 340, 18 knots, gust 26.
Kilo 2, clear sir. Score is 10 seconds after IP for full stop.
64, number 2, traffic preceding, going around for downwind, proceed downwind behind.
264 visual 1 aircraft on downwind, proceeding behind.
Correct.
250 contacting Salon from position.
30 seconds before crossing axis.
Rapid Delta, we have the 2 Mirage 2000 inside and ready to cross the axis behind.
Roger, so behind, cross the axis behind.
Copy and 2B for close formation, landing on Sato Whiskey 32.
Roger. Kilo 1, report gear 1.
Kilo 1, Gear 1 locked.
Kilo 1, check gear 1. Kilo 1, clear to land runway 32, wind 350, 20 knots, gust 26.
Kilo 1, stop. Good 264, turn in final Gear 1 locked, full stop.
64, check gear 1 locked. If I receive, continue approach.
64.
Wind 350, 20 knots, gust 26.
64, clear to land.
Delta number 1.
Rapid Delta, number 1.
Completed.
Rapid Delta, turning final and cockpit check completed for both aircraft.
Delta 1, check, copy, check completed.
Delta 1.
Completed.
Delta 2, cockpit check completed.
Rapid Delta, clear to land, Sato Whiskey 32, wind 340, 18 knots, gust 24.
Landing Sato Whiskey 32, Rapid Delta. Speed down, space left.
Rapid Delta, taxi back. Clear down. Route core. Kilo 2, ground taxi back.
Kilo 1, stop.
Kilo 1, behind Kilo 2, taxi back. 64, behind the coton, Kilo patrol, taxi back. Rapid Delta.
Down to the
Rapid Delta, you can leave frequency. Goodbye, sir. Have a nice evening. Goodbye.
proche de coton 25.
25 l'approche.
Final part à l'issue du retour de Salon, s'il vous plaît.
Oui, pas de problème.
Eh ben on fera ça chez vous.
Ok, tout à l'heure.
Kilo 9 police.
Kilo, ground, you can leave frequency. Goodbye, sir. Have a nice evening.
Leaving the bike. 4 is leaving. Taking to the evening.
64, goodbye, sir. Have a nice evening.
25 approach, loud and clear.
725, we are 150 station, 24 nautical miles, request landing instructions.
Roger, active runway 32, airfield Blue Special, Quebec Fox Echo 1015.
32, Blue Special 1015, Cotton 25, request radar for PR, touch and go, Whiskey 1.
Copy 25, radar contact 160 station 2 miles. Say heading.
25 is landing 330.
Roger, maintain heading. And descent initially 2,500 feet.
Descending at 2,500 feet, confirm Fox Echo.
And negative, maintain your altitude, I call you back to descent.
Cotton 25.
Cotton 25, you preset frequency for PR final 139er52. Preset 139er52, remain my frequency.
Presetting 139er52.
Correct. So initially 2,500 feet, Quebec Fox Echo 1015.
Descending 2,500 feet, 1015. Cotton 25.
Correct. 25, continue descend 1,500 feet, reaching 1.5, reduce speed, report gear down.
25 descending 1,500 feet and will reduce speed, reaching 1.5. 1015.
Confirm 12 miles inbound. Turn the right 5 degrees, heading 335.
Right, 335.
25, the PR will be on this frequency, call you back, spark contact.
25 Orange Precision, spark contact 6 miles and a half, right 5 degrees, ending 340. Right, 3540, Cotton 25. Right, no glide contact, you should be approaching glide 6 miles. 5. Right, report to gear unlocked. Reading. Spark contact now. 5 miles, so check gear unlocked. Signal received, slightly below adjust. Stay for the reading. 4 miles and a half. Slightly below. Stay for the reading. 4 miles, 0 feet. 4 miles, slightly below adjust. Left 6 degrees on 330. 3 reading. 4 degrees ending 330. 3 miles and a half. Fly now. 330 reading. 3 miles. Confirm the CNI.
300 feet.
Roger. Left 4 degrees ending 324. 324 reading. On track now. On glide. 2 miles and a half. Number 1 for the low pass.
Number 1, Cotton 25.
Left 2 degrees ending 322. Approaching 2 miles, take 540 feet. Stop 2 miles on glide pass. 322 reading. Slightly right of track. Slide 2 degrees ending 324. On track now. Slightly above. 1 mile and a half. 6. 2 surface wind 340, 24 knots, max 34.
Going on 25.
Correct. Report 800 feet end of runway, channel 14 with tower.
Well, report 800 feet end of runway, channel 14, Cotton 25. Tower, Cotton 25 on frequency.
25 Tower, good afternoon, report downwind.
Cotton 25, request Whiskey 1.
So report Whiskey 1, stroke 3401.
3401, will report Whiskey 1.
Yeah, overhead, Oscar, Romeo Golf, 1500 feet above your clearance.
Copy. Whiskey 1.
Coton 25 initial, touch and go, Whiskey 1.
25 number 1, the wind 340, 25 knots, gust 30, report turning final, gear down.
Number 1, 25. 5 is base gear down, touch and go.
25, check it, gear up. 25, clear touch and go, runway 32, wind 340, 24 knots, gust 30.
5.
Report Whiskey 1.
Whiskey 1.
25, report IP 32 Fox Echo 1015.
Will go. Cotton 25, initial for full stop, landing with parachute.
25, copy, number 1, wind 340, 26 knots, gust 36, report turning final, gear down.
Number 1 will go. Left turning final, gear down lock, full stop.
25, check, gear down up. 25, clear to land runway 32, wind 340, 22 knots, gust 34.
Clear to land 25.
Sur le carré.
Depuis la raquette a pénétré sur la piste et rapide. Le parachute en vue, bretelle Charlie. A reçu l'aéronef a largué le parachute dans bretelle Charlie.
C'est le ramassage. La piste terrestre.
Reçu, vous pouvez quitter la fréquence.
Humanité.
Mon autorisation de faire un roulage sur la plateforme aéronautique.
Bien, c'est approuvé.
Ok, bien sûr, on est 3 véhicules.
Ok, pas de soucis.
Pour l'ensemble de l'ESA, un roulage avec les gyros orange.
Reçu.
Au niveau de la PO Mazda pour prendre la route périphérique et récupérer le carrefour BR.
Ok, pas de soucis.
Ok, tout est dégagé.
Bonjour. Celle de grande. Please approve, report to taxi runway 32.
Essai, radio. Chalumeau unité, le sol, j'écoute.
En sol de chalumeau, au retour au papillon pour quitter la fréquence.
Reçu, vous pouvez quitter.
Leader, Grand Coton Hotel Jolies taxi.
Hotel Grand Taxi 32 Blue Special. No immediate power backup. ILS without glide. Fox Echo 1015.
Taxi 32105. Coton.
Hotel correct and taxi with caution. One obstacle north part of North Apron.
Roger.
With a nice marking around.
Sur le 4.
Très sur la piste et un peu dégagé.
Je pénètre.
Donc on a le balisage unidirectionnel qui clignote malgré le fait que l'on éteigne ou rallume le balisage. Et il semble en être de même pour les feux de taxiway, notamment sur le taxiway sud.
Oui.
Affirme. Les renefs au roulage sortent du parking de 5.
Et visuel. Il s'agit juste en fait d'un effet de prise. Voilà. Et les herbes autour des feux.
Reçu, bien merci.
Je libère la piste et les 90 mètres vers la tour.
Reçu. Appelez pour quitter. Ready to copy. Window.
La tour, j'ai quitté.
Reçu, vous pouvez quitter, merci. La squawk 3431 in sequence and after departure expect to contact approach channel 18.
3431 sequence and 18 with approach. Code hotel.
Hôtel correct.
Leader. Orange Tower, Coton Hotel are ready. Fly departure 30 seconds.
Hotel Tower line-up runway 32 wind 340 20 knots gust 34 barrière automatic position.
Line up, Coton Hotel.
Hotel clear for takeoff runway 32 wind 340 24 knots gust 34.
Clear takeoff, Coton Hotel. 183. One again.
23 ground startup approved.
23 Bravo ready.
32 blue special no immediate power backup ILS without glide Fox Echo 1015. The clockwise for information taxi with caution 1 obstacle north part of North Apron with night marking around.
OID 31 request ready to take
OID 32 approved squawk 5017 frequency 3990.17.
43 squawking 5017 and frequency set over 3990.17.
423 correct. 423 from ground.
Go ahead, sir.
Disregard OID 32, expect departure clearance 4,000 feet runway leading.
4,000 feet runway leading.
For approach according to Mirage 2000, making evolutions in the Romeo 55.
4000 en axis runway leading. Le Daniels qui est en appui continu sur le poste rouge. 43 check. 43 bravo. 43 holding number 1 ready for departure.
Coton 423 Tower, line up runway 32, wind 340, 24